Welcome back to another walk around and test drive at Coyote Classics. I'm Dalton, that's Chad, and today we're checking out this numbers matching 1979 Corvette L82. This one has this numbers matching 350 and 3-speed automatic transmission. The L82 option was the highest horsepower Corvette you could get in 79.
I'll tell you what, Dalton, this is super clean underneath the hood as well.
Yeah, it is just very correct.
It's an 84,000 original mile car. And as you pointed out, the correct motor, transmission, power steering, power brakes, and the air conditioning is 100% complete. The fan works, but it only works on like medium or something. So this is a really nice, inexpensive classic that's just almost in pristine condition as far as the paint and the body and interior.
Yeah, it's very nice. I like this color a lot too.
Yeah, a yellow Corvette. I mean, a bright yellow Corvette. You really can't beat that. You want to fire it up and hit those hideaway headlights for us?
Yeah.
Cooper Cobra tires, and the tires are like brand new on it. Great tread all the way around. Of course, obviously it's T-tops. Hideaways work they work perfect. All the brights are on. Vacuum's nice there. That's good, D. Thanks for doing that. Hood gap's nice. A couple tiny little paint chips that have been touched up perfectly right here and here. And I'll tell you what, I just drove this down the street a little earlier when I was taking pictures, D. And this L82's got a lot of power.
Yeah, they do.
Of course, the car is a nice light car. T-tops are in great shape. Paint's nice all the way around. Love the gas cap door back in here. It's got the heated defrost rear window. Back tail panel's nice. Of course, you got your little bumper guards right there. Tail lights are in beautiful shape. Tires are like new all the way around, 225, 70, 15s. It's got a great stance. Rubbers around the T-tops are excellent, very pliable. It's got power locks that are not working. The power windows both work. The funniest is when you started working here, D. We were doing a Corvette and you said it was rust-free on the doors.
Yeah, I did.
Jesus.
Yep, I was still...
You were like 18, but...
Yeah, I had a lot of fun, yeah.
You grew up a lot since then, son. The seats are just awesome. I mean, beautiful seats. Also, so many times the carpet and stuff's just shot back here. It's in really nice shape. There's your little secret compartments. The inside part of the T-tops are in great shape as well. Dome light works good. Console's in great shape. Dash pad's excellent. It's got the dual speakers up in here and they're not cracked. Busy day here at Coyote Classics. Started out, we had like 4 customers here right away this morning and bought a couple of nice cars, sold a couple cars. Just a lot going on every day here.
It's hard to beat too when the weather's like this. It makes days go by faster and makes it a lot more fun.
Well, everyone's excited, especially like on a bright yellow L82 car sitting out front. You know, we had a couple people to stop just to look at it.
Yeah, you definitely can't drive by without, you know,
well,
taking a look
at the old yellow. Yellow, orange, something just a little bit different than the norm. It was built in February of '79. There's all the original sticker information. Appears to be original paint still in the door jambs.
Yeah, and you can even see kind of like behind the little package tray back here, you can see yellow paint.
Yeah, oh yeah, it's original. Yep, original yellow car, original paint and all the jams. Just a one repaint, 84,000 mile car.
Yep, just well kept.
52L for your paint code. As me and Dalton talk about this quite often, we're 6'2", 6'3", bigger guys. Dalton's a little bigger than I am. But we fit good in here. We got good headroom, got about 2 inches on the top. A lot of room behind the seat. Obviously, if you want, you put the 3 positions there for the tilt. So it's got 84,588 miles. Hideaway headlights work great, wipers work great, clock works nice, oil pressure's 40, amp gauge works, gas gauge works, temp gauge will work. The only thing not working right now, besides the horn, but I don't think that'll be a huge fix.
Seems like the relay's there.
Yeah, relay's all there. Is your factory tack. Tack's not working. It said air is complete, but it only works on high as far as the fan speed. Okay. Yep. Kind of sound like the AC. You know, like I said, the air's complete.
Blowing on my
probably
feet
won't
right now.
take too much to get that working, but I don't think it's working right now. Dome light worked as well. So tack and horn are the two biggest things that aren't working right now. Saying though, just for a cold start, this thing drives awesome.
Yeah, especially for a 79.
Yeah, the brakes are perfect too. When we first got it in, the rear brake, especially on the passenger side, we had to replace that caliper. Mm-hmm. Like every brake, we have to replace a caliper or two on these Corvettes.
Yeah.
Corvette. It's amazing that the clock works, isn't it?
The clock works? Yeah, that's crazy.
AM, FM cassette, obviously didn't come with a cassette, so they replaced that. Well, no. Is it? Yeah.
Could have, yeah.
Looks like it's been replaced. Fits in there good though, don't it?
Yeah, it does. That's really a good car.
You can tell that L82 just has just a little bigger cam than the L48. It's got a nice little rumble to it. Temperature gauge is just coming off the 100 right now, so that's working. The rear defrost button's here, but I don't see it lighting up. This is a really good car. For right now, we're going to price this at $22,995. Usually I don't say that in the video, but what a great car for that money.
Yeah, it is.
Color combination,
just
interior's mint.
Yeah, low miles, just a great entry-level classic.
It still has a lot of balls.
Yeah.
I mean, it sits you right back in your seat.
Power windows go up good.
Yeah, they do. They work fast too. Speedometer does bounce a little bit.
Brakes again.
Yeah, brakes are really good. We'll check the cruise too in a little bit. And back in the day when my dad had a car dealership, he had a few of these Vettes, and probably told the story before, but we and one of my best friends would always be like 16, 17, we'd always go to Waverly, drive it 30 miles, go cruising for chicks, and we were so stupid, like, where do you put them?
Yeah.
We had one in the back, way back in here, and we had one in the middle.
That's hilarious.
Cruising Waverly.
So you can fit four.
Yeah, back in the day, a couple young guys driving a 79 Vette back in the early 90s. That's pretty cool. Stingrays were the big thing back then. They were the classic car.
Yeah.
You know, no one gave a shit back then as a kid about 69 Chevelles, but Corvettes, wow, that's cool.
That's neat.
Now it's kind of the opposite, but.
That's still an awesome car.
Oh yeah, they still have a good following. I'm just gonna go a little further. I
See
doubt
if the cruise
I
works.
doubt
I'm pretty sure it
does,
does not, but we might as well try it.
They never do.
Negatory.
Negative on the cruise.
Negative on the cruise. But still an awesome little Corvette. Check it out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. We'll put a link down in the comment section if you're watching on YouTube. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Yep.